to Burke & Smyth's weekly property tips after a short hiatus. We had the lovely Natalie back, our business development manager, to talk all things property management, leasing, tenants, what else? Everything. So a quick little update, obviously to help out investors, landlords and current tenants that are currently looking. Firstly, it's been a month since we had you on that. Thanks again for coming on. Where are we after a month?
After a month, we have seen a little shift in the market.
Yep.
Nothing major though. We are just finding properties are just, when I say taking a little longer to lease, no more than a week longer than when we spoke last time.
Yep.
But there's just been that little bit of a time difference where before when we spoke, we weren't even sometimes having to advertise a property.
Yeah.
Now we're just taking that little extra to find a quality tenant.
And that's probably same as sales. I mean, days on market's probably pushed out an extra week, maybe two.
Yeah.
Latest interest rate, you think is probably, I mean, there's only a little one, not as big as the last couple, but do you think that may be having an impact?
Not from the tenant side of things, I don't think it has. I don't think that flow-on effect would have happened yet.
Yeah.
But from the investor side of things, I think it would have.
Yeah.
Not to a major degree though.
Are you seeing any landlords request, and I'll put you on the spot, request maybe an increase because of the interest rate rise?
None that I'm aware of.
Yeah.
Or if they have, they haven't specified that that's why.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Sorry, I'm going to spot that one. Now, before I think we spoke about mid-6, early 600s and that newer style of property being the most popular or in demand. Is that still the...
Nothing has changed.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. We have a list of prospective tenants that need a home, an executive style newer home, 600 plus.
High caliber.
We just can't get enough of those properties.
What about the entry level sort of, I guess, 300s to 4?
That's, I think, where we've seen the most amount of, when I mentioned earlier, that little bit longer in securing a tenant. I think that's the market that's been most affected.
Yeah, fair enough. Now, tips for a tenant. Now, you can pull a rabbit out of a hat here. We've still got a number of tenants that are saying we can't find a property. What's your best tip for a tenant going forward? I think last time was be prepared.
Yes.
Still the same now?
Yeah, I'm going to stick with that same answer. I think the most important thing is when you're filling out your application, answering every part of the application, supplying all the necessary documents that are listed on the application form, and just making sure you have everything ready to go, because when a property does come on that suits your needs, if you're ready to go and we've got all your information, you've got that foot in the door already.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you don't get that one in particular, then you might have one coming on or available in a week that might tick the box.
Exactly.
Now, new segment, property in focus for the rental department. What have we got? Which property?
This week we have 5 Manola Crescent. So 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 car space for $440 per week.
Up in popular East Tamworth, good spots, close to Oxley School, Bolo. Walk down to town, walk home from town, pretty good.
Definitely.
Not a bad spot. Thanks for coming in again, Nat. Thanks for tuning in again. Don't forget to hit the little bell if you'd like to obviously get reminders when we do post the next weekly tips, which will be next week. But otherwise, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.